everybody, and welcome to this video on factorizing. In this video, we're having a look at highest common factor again, but the difference in this video is that the highest common factor is a whole expression. So the concept is still the same, that we're going to take out the highest common factor and then we're going to divide by it and write what's the remainder. Now let's have a look at this example. We have 3 times x plus 1 squared minus 2 times x plus 1. As you can see, the x plus 1 is common in both terms, so we're going to take it out as a common factor. So we're going to take out 1x plus 1 because this second term only has 1 and the other one has 2. And what's left over is the 3, and we've only 3x plus 1 divided by x plus 1, there's going to be 1 left. So 3x plus 1 and minus 2. The x plus 1 over here is then factorized out. Then what we can do is we can simplify this. So this becomes x plus 1, and then we're going to use our distributive law, and this becomes 3x plus 3 minus 2, and then this finally becomes x plus 1 times 3x plus 1, once we have simplified these two like terms. Okay, so let us have a look at some examples. Once again, please pause the video and attempt it by yourself before going through it together. We're going to have a look at the first one, x times a plus b minus y times a plus b. Now, it is quite obvious here. You can see that they both have this a plus b common. So we have a plus b over here, and we have a plus b over here. So we're going to take it out as a common factor. So we have a plus b, and what we're going to be left with is x minus y. And there, we have factorized that one over there. Let us try the second one. We have 3x minus 1 plus 4y x minus 1. Once again, you'll notice that there is an x minus 1 in both of the terms. So that is our highest common factor. We're going to take it out as a highest common factor, and we divide the first term by x minus 1, we're simply going to get 3. And if we divide the second term by x minus 1, we are going to get 4y. The third one, we have x minus 2 squared minus 2 minus x. Now, what you should notice is that there's a little bit of a problem with this one here, is that the signs are the wrong way around. So the x is positive and the minus 2 is negative. Here, the 2 is positive and the x is negative. So the signs, both signs are swapped. Okay, when this happens, we have a little trick. We can take out a negative. So x minus 2 squared, and if we take out a negative, it changes the sign at the beginning of the bracket. It's just put that in a different color. So the sign changes, and now what happens is then we can swap the signs around. Now you'll notice that we have two brackets that are the same. So we have x minus 2 and x minus 2. So now we can take out x minus 2 as the common factor. What's left in the first bracket would be 1x minus 2 because there were 2. And then x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 is 1. Okay, then simplifying that further, we get x minus 2 times x minus 1 because minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. The next one, we have 3a x plus 4 minus 9x plus 4. Once again, you can see that the x plus 4 is common in both the terms, but not only that, we also have a common factor 3. So we're going to take out 3 and x plus 4 as a common factor. What is going to be left over here is a, and minus 3x plus 4 divided by 3x plus 4 is minus 3. And that is the most factorized form. Then the last one, we have a x plus 1 plus b x plus 1 plus 3 times x plus 1. So what we're going to do again is notice the common factor is x plus 1 We're going to take it out as a common factor. So we have x plus 1. The first term divided by x plus 1 is a. The second term divided by x plus 1 is b. And the third term divided by x plus 1 is 3. And that is our final form. Please make sure you understand this variation of highest common factors. If you have not, try watching the previous video and make sure you can do all questions before moving on.